Okay, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let us talk how this smartphone is being delayed in the North American markets now. When the Samsung Galaxy S23 was launched, the major thing was that the smartphone does not have a lot of updates, and maybe Samsung knew that. Also, because of the recession, I believe that the number of units that Samsung produced were not as much, which caused a lot of delays in the North American market. Now I live in Canada, that is a part of North America, and the shipments in this country are very bad. I personally ordered a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra on Feb 3 and the device was supposed to be shipped on Feb 8, and I was expecting to get the phone at anywhere around 10th of February or 11th of February. Now it is already 16th of February and I was watching through a few lists on reddit.com and I was seeing the conversation of people that whether people are getting the smartphone or no, and I was very shocked by the way that Samsung is delivering the smartphone. Maybe you just order the smartphone today on Feb of 10th or Feb of 15th and you are getting the smartphone in a day or two, but maybe you ordered the smartphone on Feb 1st right after the smartphone was launched and you are yet seeing the processing tag over the Samsung.com. And let me tell you one thing, Samsung is not able to resolve this thing at all. I had been under chat with Samsung.com and even I called these people plenty of time, and every time they say just give us a few minutes, and after 10 minutes these people come back and they have the very similar script. And trust me, there was a time when I was chatting with two different people in two different times and both of them gave me the exact same information, and that was a difference of about a day or two. Now this comes as a surprise to me because now I think that even after purchasing that smartphone and paying the full price on that smartphone, I'm not getting the services that I was supposed to get. What after purchasing that smartphone and in the middle of the road after 6 months I need some service? Samsung is not reliable these days, and this is something that I wanted to put up in this conversation. Samsung does not have any reply that when these smartphones will be shipped and what is the particular order. I can see one thing, this one over here is not the first come and the first served thing, and I trust the people on reddit.com because the community is really strong and these are the people who would not post anything on these platforms because it is a community driven thing and these people do not want to just post anything over these platforms. Now let me get you through a few of the Reddit threads that I was going through earlier in this day. I copy pasted it into my laptop so that I can share it with you. I cannot share the actual screenshots from reddit.com because I do not want to involve anything into this thing, but here you go, the number one thing that I saw on reddit.com. I got fucked. The website said start shipping February 10th for red S23 Ultra. Now I'm getting March 20th on the order. Just order the black if you want the fastest shipping. Now I want to say one thing, even if you ordered a black one or a green one or a cream one, everything is having the same shipment delays. It does not matter what color do you order in. Now the second Reddit user has to say that I ordered the green 512GB S23 Ultra, launch day was confirmed but still says processing and hasn't even been created. Date still says ships on Feb 8 and got no updates besides the customer service saying I will be getting it this week coming up, not even the delay email. I think we the early customers should get our first before any other who ordered later. Not saying I don't want them to get the smartphone, but I think we deserve our before them, and that is true. The people who ordered on 1st of February, they should be getting the device at the very first, and still they are seeing processing rather than the order being actually shipped to your home. Now the third Reddit customer has to say an entire different story, and he says that ordered Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra on 8th Feb, gratified on education program with Buds 2 Pro offer, and the phone has been delivered today. Location Toronto, delivered on 14th of February. So ordered on 8th and got on February of 14th. Now I ordered on February 3 and still it shows processing, and there is not even a single email to me about the delays, and it never shows dispatched. Even after talking to customer service multiple times, I get the very same answer, which is the reason for one of my frustration. Now it is okay for me because I already have two smartphones, but there are people who are waiting for their smartphone and they want their smartphone, and there was a reason that they pre-ordered the smartphone so that they can get it on the very first day. Now what I have to say is that the pre-orders on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra are messed up with a big shot. I do not know what is the estimated time that when my order will be shipped, or even when they will change from processing to dispatch state on the website itself. I have seen people getting their smartphone even in the processing state, and even there were no signatures taken from FedEx or any other carrier they got their smartphone with in America or in Canada. Now it could be there is some issue with the Toronto unit where the smartphones are being shipped from. It could be that the people who are processing the smartphone units are not being able to dispatch according to first come and first serve. Now there could be a lot of possibilities. I just do not blame Samsung. I saw the similar story with the iPhone 14 Pro Max when I ordered the smartphone back in December. But the only good thing with the iPhone 14 Pro Max sales was that the people who pre-ordered the smartphone, they get the smartphone on the very same day or a day or 2 days later from the actual date when the shipping started on that smartphone. Now that is something that I wanted to bring up to all of you guys, and I wanted to see what is the current status of your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in Canada, in North America, or in any other region that you are in right now. Do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button on this video, and do not forget to comment in the comment section below. So that was me, Anshul. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.